Ever feel the world is moving too slowly for you?
Carl Jung studied minds like yours. Deep, intense, rare. Less than 5% of people reach differentiated consciousness.
Your emotions aren't simple. They move like symphonies.
You sense tensions others ignore. Your intensity is intelligence.
You ask why, not just what. Surface answers
Your
aren't enough.
curiosity threatens others' comfort, but it's what pushes humanity forward.
You've built yourself from the ground up. Solitude isn't loneliness, it's sanctuary.
Jung called it individuation, the process of becoming fully yourself.
You notice energy shifts, micro-expressions, unsaid words.
You carry feelings others suppress. But remember, perception is your gift.
Shallow goals feel empty. You need purpose over popularity.
By seeking meaning, you inspire others to awaken their authenticity.
You evolve past people and places, shedding what no longer serves you.
Those who can't keep up feel uncomfortable. Your evolution is irreversible.
Simply by being yourself, you create space for others to see their own truth. You don't give quick fixes. You hold space, letting authenticity emerge.
Too much giving without boundaries can exhaust you. Protect your energy.
You sense a calling not yet defined. It's not about fame, it's alignment.
Your mind constantly seeks ways to create, to contribute, to evolve.
When ignored, your calling manifests as anxiety, emptiness, or frustration.
Beware believing your rarity makes you better than others. It isolates you.
Feeling destined to heal everyone leads to burnout. Share wisely. Depth doesn't require suffering. Your gifts are not a punishment.
Some are drawn to your energy, but haven't done their own inner work.
Others feel threatened by your authenticity and unconsciously try to suppress it.
Rare individuals can meet your depth and celebrate your rarity without diminishing you.
Learning who to share your depth with is essential. Not everyone can handle it.
Your rarity isn't just personal. It's a bridge for human evolution.
Your intensity, sensitivity, and refusal to settle expand what's possible for all.
Walking paths few have walked is lonely, but necessary for growth. Your relentless questions aren't a problem. They're the spark of consciousness evolution.
Your heightened sensitivity lets you perceive what others miss. It's a strength, not weakness.
You don't compromise with mediocrity. This isn't stubbornness, it's evolution in action.
You attract those ready to grow and repel those who fear authenticity.
Reflecting on your own shadow keeps your gifts from becoming burdens. You're part of humanity's next stage of consciousness. Your life sets the path for others. Stop dimming your light. Own your depth, your intensity, your curiosity. Your rarity is your power. Embrace it and inspire others to the same.
Comment below. I am psychologically rare and proud. The world needs your brilliance.